To another edition of Tech Doesn't Bite. Today we are going to go talk about AI and specifically ChatGPT. How can this help you? If you're just wanting to use it at home, I've got a great tip to show you how it can help you save money. So we're going to come over here and we're going to type in chatgpt.com and click enter. And it's going to ask you to sign up for free or log in. If you've never used it before, go ahead and click sign up for free. And you're going to choose how you want to sign up. You can continue with Google, you can continue with Microsoft account, or continue with Apple. And when you get logged in, you're going to see this screen right here. I'm going with Google. I am going here to my account. And today we're going to look at how it can save you at the grocery store. I know that's a big deal right now. So I'm going to put the prompt in here, and then I'm also going to put it in the comments so that you can just copy and paste it in. So my prompt that I'm using is going to be, I need a complete grocery list and meal plan for 1 week for 2 people. Of course, you'll change that to whatever number of people live with you, with a total budget of $150 or whatever your budget is. Shopping at, and I said Walmart in Dallas, Texas. Again, that will be your location. Please include the following details. You're going to do your meal plan, provide breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks for each day of the week. And then your dietary preferences and restrictions. What do you not like to eat? What do you like to eat? The cuisine preference, different types of foods that you enjoy. Your cooking level, you can do beginner, intermediate, advanced. Time constraints, quick and easy meals, or do you want to spend a little time cooking? And then leftovers, please plan meals to minimize food waste and make use of leftovers where possible. Ingredients available, use ingredients commonly available at Walmart in Dallas. And then the cost and a shopping list that's broken down into category. Let's go ahead and see what we get. I'm going to click right here, and it's going to go to work, and it's searching the web. And here's my tailored list, a grocery list for 2 people. Total budget $150, shopping at Walmart in Dallas. And it gives me my breakfast, my lunch, my dinner, and a snack for 2 people. And then breaks down my cost. Also has it broken down into the different departments that I need to go to. Produce and dairy, meats, pantry staples. Of course, some of these you'll already have and you won't need to get. And then it gives me the daily prep details. All right, well, I hope that helps. Again, I will put the actual prompt in the comments. If this video helped you at all, don't forget, this is Tech Doesn't Bite. Like and subscribe. And you can always click on Buy Me a Coffee, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much.